Oh, that looks all right. Okay. Put your hands in just a little bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, everybody. I want to thank you for 30,000 followers. I said I would do a video at 15,000, but here we are at 30, and I said I would do my makeup and let Lady Cringy do it. But instead, I decided that I'm just going to do it myself because I'm a little better. But I have an assistant, Patty. She is going to tell me what to apply. Okay, Patty, say hi.
Hi.
Lean in over the table and say hi. There you go. There's her hand. Hi. Okay, so what should we start with?
Eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. I'm going to find it. It looks like, what does it look like? Is that it?
Yes.
Okay. It's this square rectangular thing. It's got a lot of different colors in it. Do I have to pick a color? How do I put it on? What do I put it on with?
Brush.
Okay, a brush. Okay, I'm just gonna find that brush. That works. Yep. Oh wait, I forgot to do. I need to take my hat off because I don't want to get my hat messy. Yep, get that out of here. Okay. Whew, that was a close one. I put this poncho on so that I would keep the makeup off of my body.
That's upside down.
Oh, that's okay. I do things upside down sometimes. It's all right. Okay, here we go. What are we doing? Eyeshadow?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put it on. Right there. Okay. I did the what?
This.
Hold on, I gotta close my eyes because I can't see. When I put that, okay. Yeah, I feel like I need to turn the whole thing over because I feel like I'm not getting anything on there. It's upside down. Oh, there we go. I knew I'd get it right eventually. I thought you shook it on the glass and then you put it on. Is that not right? Okay,
no.
Let's try it again. This is to cover up the bags under my eyes. I've been tired, Patty, in this quarantine. I don't get a lot of sleep. Okay, try. That's my right eye. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I don't even know if is anything even getting on, Patty?
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Look, covered up my bags. Is this how you, Oh yeah, I like that. That's a good one. Okay. Right in my lower eye. Yep, okay. Oh yeah, let me see. I still look just as tired. Now my eyes are a little watery. Okay, what is this one I want to put on? I feel like this is what I should do.
That is, I think, eyeshadow.
You think eyeshadow? Okay. Oh. Okay, that works. Where did let me see my pen. Oh, I needed the brush again. That works. Okay. This is what now? This is more eyeshadow?
Yeah.
I thought that I put eyeshadow on. Why do you want me to have two layers? Okay, it's fine. Let's just do it. See? That's good. Okay, they don't match. It doesn't matter. Let's see. Yep. Feels like a horse's tail. Now what do we got? What's next?
Lipstick.
Lipstick. Oh, my favorite part. Is this one good?
Yeah.
I feel like that's, yeah, maroon. Is this how I pucker? That's how my chin. I know, they're good. Oh, okay. What do I got in my mouth? Oh, yeah. How's that look, Patty?
Good.
Oh, yeah. Do they look plump? I look like I have... Okay, now what do I do next? I feel like...
Cheeks.
Oh, my cheeks. Okay, what do we do for cheeks? Ooh, that looks dangerous. What was that?
Mascara.
Do we do mascara?
Yeah.
When do we do it? What's happening? Patty, hurry, pick. What's that one? Here, if I raise my right hand up, I can... Oh, no. Oh, let's do this. What's this? What is the... Oh, what is that? I don't know either. It looks terrifying. Oh, is this for my eyebrows, Patty? Oh, it's for my eyebrows. Look. I wonder, am I giving myself angry? No, I'm giving myself surprised eyebrows. Like, oh, everything's a surprise. Wait, there's my other one. Yeah. Yeah, oh, I'm getting high eyebrows. It doesn't even matter. Maybe I'll just color hair in my head. Ooh, look. I look like a Simpsons character. Oh, hold, put them in my hand so I can feel them. Oh, what? What is this?
For your cheeks.
Oh, this is for my cheeks. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Wait a minute. Yeah, that's my cheat. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ray, you're doing a great job.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I feel like every time I do this, I'm getting stabbed by a horse's tail. Yeah, feels good. Like a really short-haired dog is climbing all over my face. I love it. I love it. Uh-huh. Right in my nose hole, Beatty. So far, I got one eyebrow. And what? Whoa. Hey, what do we got left? Do we have anything left? What's that? No. Wait, what is, oh boy. Woo! What is that?
It's mascara.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm supposed to keep them open. Wait a minute. Is this right?
Yes.
Oh, look at my eyebrows though, for real. Did it bring out my, oh my. I don't think I hit it once, but I look like I've been in a fight. Okay, what do you think, Patty? Should we call this good?
Yeah.
Okay, well, for 30,000, I think I nailed my makeup tutorial. Thanks to Patty, my assistant. Next time Lady Cringy's here, we'll have her do it for us. But for now, this is the Cringy Dad saying thank you for watching my video. Bye.